Life is good. Life is good. Watching idiotic ramblings with Tim. Life is good. Come on.
5:50. We got out of the office to come down here and go to the post office. What a cool little town we have found. Hang on, I gotta reposition my truck here. Alright, anyway, it's a cool, really cool streets here. Had to get out and go to the post office, get some diesel fuel, because Sunday we gotta move 10 miles. Wow, this is a pretty cool little square, man. Very nice. Isn't that a cool street? Look at that street. Some nice houses down through here. Thank you, mister. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I like these streets right here. This tree canopy and what do you call it? Spanish moss growing. And this is only like 3 blocks from where I'm staying at. It's off the beaten path, man. Had no idea something like this was even here. What a cute little place. Right here in the heart of Orlando. And it's just really cool, you know? This is right behind the Pep Boys where I brought the car to get the brakes done. So, yeah, all I had to go was a couple more stop signs to find this cool area. Look at these nice little houses. Reminds me of being over there in Germany. Everybody's got their doors different color. You guys ever been to Germany? Over in Germany, all the doors, everyone was different color. See how they copy that? See red, blue, black, red. Well, it's pretty cool. That is a pretty neat feature, isn't it? Love it, man. First time we ventured out. It's been kind of cold and rainy for the past few days. I don't know why, but it's the first time we ventured out of the office in a few days, and pretty neat. We're decorated for Valentine's Day. Y'all send me some chocolates, will you? I need some chocolate. Fat man needs some chocolate. All right, we're out of here. We gotta focus on my driving. That'd be good to paddleboard in right there. Nice little creek, little pond. Go in there and do some paddleboard, fishing. Oh yeah. All right. See ya. Okay, it's move day. Got the office broken down and shrink this up a little bit. Patio's folded up. Office chair's laying down on the front porch step. Front porch is folded in. So you gotta bring the bicycles in now, lay them down. Don't have to put the smart car in here because we can drive the smart car. Behind us, only 10 miles from where we gotta go. So my 2-week stay is up. I have really enjoyed Tropical Palms. It's been beautiful. Well, cold, wet, and windy, but beautiful campground. And we have a new neighbor over here. We got them a brand new motor home. They are from Oregon. Drove down here and picked that up. Lazy days, I think. Anyway, so we were breaking down, getting ready to move to 10 miles down the road to Tropical 1,000 Trails in Orlando. Yeah, my apologies. Which is actually Clearmont. But anyway, we're getting there. Wasn't too bad. Okay, we're on the move. 10 miles. We got 8.1 to go. So we get there at 11:07. They are strict about check-in time, not being there till noon. So we did some recon the other day. We found a Lowe's parking lot 1 mile away. So we're gonna go to the Lowe's parking lot and hang out for an hour. And then mosey on in there. It's weird, my trailer lights are not working. The brake lights and turn signals working, that's it. No marker lights. The new ones I put in don't work. Well, the right side works. I think it's in the pigtail connection. I don't know. Weird, right? But anyway, it's weird that it was working when we dropped it, and now it's not working. Funny how stuff can sit there and not work. But anyway, we're going to focus on driving, and we'll video going to find our spot over there to, we'll video find our spot. We'll video once we get over there and get unhooked in TTO. See you over there. So we made it to the Lowe's parking lot. Even though this truck is filthy, I still get the shiny ring on the ground. Reminds me of the Peterbilt days. That thing would sit there and reflect off the asphalt, shine like a new penny. But this truck is filthy. Sorry, his dog is walking me. So me walking the dog. See her? She does pretty good on leash though. I got something going on with my wiring back here on my lights. So I guess I get to dig into it. I think my problem is back here. I gotta fix this wire we did because my taillights were not working. And this side right here is not working. That side where it works, but this side here does not. So I think the problem is in our new wires down there or in here. So I get to spend the next week or two at the next campground figuring it out. So I'd send my electrician a bill. Doggone it. That's good. Definitely got to be. I hope it's right in there. So I get to fix all that. It's funny how it worked and then sit there for 2 weeks and doesn't work anymore. Anyway, so we're hanging out here, the Lowe's parking lot, waiting on time to move there. Come on. I think now we're on level ground. I can back up and see how level we are. I adjusted my hitch down a couple of holes. Took 2 inches of ride height out of it. So the truck looks like she's squatted a little bit, which is good. And unit looks level. So all the YouTube videos I watched and reviews and Facebook comments are correct. We are out here on the street, lined up. It is 10 after 12. We got a line at 5 after 12. Because they say if you get there at 11:59, they turn you around. So this is Thousand Trails, Orlando. They changed the system, and now you first come, first serve type deal on the sites. But we've never been here, so we don't really have a site selection. We know we want a 50 amp, and I prefer a back end site because that leaves my tail end open to woods or fields or a lake. I can drop the back patio deck. The dog has plenty of room back there to hang out. So that's the only preference we know that we want is 50 amp and a back end site. So we'll see what we get, you know, and try to get this worked out. So we are learning as we go. So if you're coming to Thousand Trails Orlando, this is what you got. The Encore sites, like Tropical Palms, they assign you a site. We got there like 5:30, no rush, no big deal. We knew what site we had and it was available when we got there. I don't think I like this system right here too much, but we will see. It's what you do at retirement. You can play shuffleboard. Currently we have to work. We've got a few years to go before we get to retirement. But one day I'll be out here playing shuffleboard there. Come on.